Hello kids, welcome back. Yesterday we have started our chapter The Sound of U. In that chapter we have completed the words with sound U by adding UB up, UG ug, UN un, UP up and UT ut. And below that here are some pictures and related to that some words are here. We also read these words and I hope you have done your homework that I had given you. That was the right, you have to write the 10 words of U sound words. Now we will do the activity. So open your books and look here. Read and colored the mixed balloons. Means here are some balloons here are some words that are having 5 vowels. So look here, first one is balloons having A with red color. The words which are having the A vowel you have to fill with red color. So we have to search from all these balloons the balloons with the A vowel. So look here, first one is here RAT, rat. So fill it with red color because this word is having A vowel. Now the second one in the second row, come to the second row, LAD, lead. Okay, you have done. Now third one, FAN, fan. Now here is no word again. And now move to the third row, MAN, man. Now in third row there is no word with A vowel. Now search in the fourth row, there is no word. So you have to fill. Now second row, come in the second row, balloons having E with the blue color. The words which are having E vowel, we have to fill it with blue color. Now look in the first row, TEN, 10. So fill it with blue color. Next line, second row, HEN, hen, because hen is having E vowel. So fill it with blue color. Now move to the third row, PEN, pen. The fourth row is not having any E vowel word. So these are the words with E vowel. You have to fill it with blue color. So we have completed E sound words. Now move to the next vowel, that is I vowel. Balloons having I vowel, we have to fill it with green color. So look in the first row, PIG, pig. Pig is with I vowel, so you have to fill it with green color. Next row, LID, lid. Here is lid with I vowel, fill it with green color. Now move to the third row, here is LIP, lip. Now move into fourth row, WIN, win. Win is with I vowel, so you have to fill it with green color. Now we have completed our I vowel. Now move to the next one, that is vowel with O sound words. O. Balloons having O vowel with orange color. So first row there is no one. Move to the second row, BOX, box. Fill it with orange color. Now second word is COT, cot. Now move to the third row, here is no one. Then fourth row, POT, pot. Fill it with orange color. Now we have finished O vowel. Here is one also, DOG, dog. Now vowels U. Balloons having U vowel with pink color. We have to fill it with pink color. So in the first row there is no U vowel word. In the second row there is no vowel. Then come to the third row. HUT, hut, is having U vowel. You have to fill it with pink color. Then next CUP, cup, and then PUP, pup. Now move to the fourth one. GUN, gun. So students, we have completed our 5 vowels. Fill them with colors. Balloons with A vowel, red color. E vowel words with blue color. I vowel word with green color. O vowel word with orange color, and U vowel word with a pink color. So you have to write these words in your notebook also. First you have to fill this work in your book, and then you have to write these words in your notebook. Thank you, kids.